Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just starting my day at Universal's Islands of Adventure. I have no idea what's going to go down. Let's go find out. A week ago when I posted the last Islands of Adventure update video, we discovered some cool new things. Hopefully that's the case today. Cold times here in Citywalk, as at the Red Oven Pizza Bakery where we're draping the outside eating area with plastic. Vivo Italian Kitchen has also dropped its drapes because of the cold weather. Even the Porch of Indecision has decided to enclose the porch today. Someone recently asked me if the Epic Universe Preview Center was still open on Citywalk. Yes it is. Not running the splash pad today, and that is totally understandable. I think before we go into Islands of Adventure to check on updates, we are going to stop by the Hard Rock Cafe, walk up to the balcony here, take a look at the construction from a high of the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster. I am no construction expert. All I can do is really show you the images. I can notice right now that we don't have any roller coaster track on property yet. That's being stored elsewhere. Eventually, we'll show up and there'll be some roller coaster tracks here. Over here to the far right, before we go into the theme park, this was the home to the automated wheel call boxes. They have all been removed. And now, into the theme park. This is a Thursday, and Islands of Adventure closes at 8 p.m. tonight. Looking inside of DePhoto's photography reminds me of something I need to buy for Nikki. I need to get Nikki an ET plush for her bicycle. Her e-bike has a basket on it, a front basket, and how cute would it be if she had an ET in her basket? But like, which one? Which would be the best? I don't know if I want something like this. One might be too big, or maybe not. I don't know. Regardless, maybe for her birthday I need to get her one so she can ride around on her e-bike like she's on ET Adventure. By the way, I just posted a new video on Channel 2, Rix Q, an update video for Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'll leave a link to it in the description box. Go check that out after this video. Well, here's some big news for you coffee lovers, you Starbucks lovers. Construction walls at the Islands of Adventure Starbucks. It is temporarily closed for renovation. Oh boy, get your coffee in Citywalk before you come in here. I think we'll go right, start in Seuss Landing, mainly because this Grim over here is new and the construction walls have grown. Not only are the restrooms closed, but the outside portion of the backwater bar. You see the scrim up there, so apparently some big repairs or renovation happening outside the backwater bar. The bar itself is still open. Current temperature is 55 and it's sunny. It feels good walking around in the sunshine right now. For me, this is shorts and a hoodie weather. But I do have a t-shirt on under the hoodie, so I am layered. Well, hello, Dr. Seuss. There he is right there. He does have a presence here in Seuss Landing, doesn't he? The Mulberry Street store, Gizmos, Gadgets, Goodies Galore, still has its Grinchmas trees up. Toodaloo, Seuss Landing. The lamps on the bridge to the Lost Continent looking good. They haven't had the flame on this statue in a long while though. By the way, thank you all for tuning in to the weekly checkup on Islands of Adventure. Do me a favor while you're here, click the hype button for me. That would be much appreciated. I'm trying to figure out if that actually does anything to help the videos. One of the meet and greets here in Islands of Adventure. Can you see that crane in between the palm trees there? Do you know what that's for? That is part of the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift coaster construction. We need to step into the All Hallows Eve boutique for a moment. There's a Valentine's Day shirt I need to show you for $37. Yes, this is a Valentine's Day shirt. It even says Valentine right there. I love it. We've made it to Hogsmeade's Village. We've made it to Hogsmeade Village. I expect a long wait time for Hagrid's. I'm sorry to have shortened the name of the ride. The ride is actually Hagrid's Magical Creatures Hollywood Motorbike Adventure. I am such a stinker. Such a smart aleck. This cart today is hot butterbeer, no ice cream. So today at the Three Broomsticks, we have all of this fencing. And it's blocking off the switchbacks there. And then the other thing I've noticed today, I've never seen so many like scooters and strollers in this area before. Holy moly. So many that are parking against the wall here. A 185 minute, by the way. The show is about to start. Oh, everyone looks wonderful today. Copyrighted music, so I can't show too much, but there is a meet and greet after the show. Just a 15-minute wait for Harry Potter and the Hollywood Journey. It's a no-flame day at Jurassic Park. The Velocicoaster is a 90-minute wait. Ah, beautiful. From the Zero-G stall to the Mosasaurus roll. This is also another beautiful shot. So for burger digs, there was a burger I used to recommend, the Casada burger. That went away, and a few months ago, I think during the summer, they brought in a new burger that I haven't shown you, the Stegosaurus burger. Black Angus burger, Ropa Via, pepper jack cheese, bacon, roasted Fresno pepper, onion ring, and Tostitos nacho cheese sauce. And right now I cannot remember if I had that and showed it to you. A lot of times you guys remember what I do better than I do. Did I have that? I kind of remember the pepper on top. But, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you remember me showing that. If I didn't, I'll come back like maybe next week and I'll have it. But I want to, if I've already shown you, well, apparently it wasn't memorable other than maybe the pepper. But for real, you guys can recall what I've eaten better than I can. I've shown you guys the construction wall multiple times, and I've said how great of a photo op I think this is. But something related I need to show you inside of Jurassic Outfitters. But wait, these signs are new. Meet a dino. And another one on this side. Here's the one. And they actually took away some merchandising shelving space for this. And then there's this one that has been here, but they've added the toilet to make an awesome photo opportunity. Just like you're in the movie. But back to this one, I want to point out a fun little thing up here. We just missed it, but every half hour, that would be on the 15 and on the 45, see the satellite phone there? Remember in the third movie, the satellite phone ringing? Something like that. Well, that phone will ring here, like I said, every 30 minutes on the 15 and the 45. We just missed it. But on the top shelf, they've added several different props. I'll walk around showing you what they have up there now. There's another one. This one is a repeat. And then we have this one up there. So some cool updates to Jurassic Outfitters. Now the Meet a Dino signs make sense. So since they closed down the ride, they brought in a couple little fun photo ops for us. We'll go through Toon Lagoon now, but water rides will not be in high demand for the next week or so. A lot of empty log flumes coming down. And a lot of empty rafts floating by today too. Blondie's is closed again. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It seems kind of like a busy day. Like what, Hagrid's was a 185-minute wait. Velocicoaster was 90, so there's a crowd here. Yet Blondie's is closed. It seems like since they revamped the menu, it's been closed more than it's been open. I have a free perk waiting on me inside of the pass holder lounge. Let's go get it. So inside of the pass holder lounge, we have a wall here of 70% off. A lot of this here is the Harry Potter stuff, but it's Christmas. You have your Hogsmeade Christmas spirit shirt, you have your pajamas, you know, you have your stockings, stuff like that, but it is 70% off. That's pretty good. My free perk was the pass holder lanyard featuring Shrek and Donkey. Since we are experiencing a cold snap here in Central Florida, they have turned off the water features here in Toon Lagoon. Fire hydrant, the boat here, no rain expected today. So you guys know that song, Return of the Mac? Well, here at One and Wins we have Return of the Quack. Oh, come on. You can't tell me that didn't quack you up. As we get ready to head into Marvel and get ready to head into the weekend, hope everyone has a super fun time during their weekend. Snacks and drinks. Has frozen drinks. Margarita, traditional, mango, or watermelon for $17. Oh yeah, our Spider-Man merch of the week. For $33, we have this Spider-Man shirt. I have the Iron Man version of this shirt. Spider-Man, my favorite superhero, but I do not look good in red, in my opinion. Just a couple of villains, nothing to see here. Captain America is just down the road. I think I'll go tell him. I think it's gonna be the tower on the right. Am I right? Yes. 45-minute wait for the Hulk, by the way. If you don't want the fun to end, you're not ready to get back to reality, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, watch this next.